headed to Nicks Cove in Tomales Bay, just north of San Francisco, just south of Bodega Bay. We've always wanted to stay here, but it's a place that you have to reserve way in advance. And us being spontaneous, we just got done with the music festival in San Francisco. We were looking for a place to stay, and one was open. It's quite costly. It's $400. We don't typically spend $400 on a hotel. But Patty looked it up and it came available, so we'll see if maybe it was a cancellation. So here's our video on Nicks Cove. So let's take a trip from downtown San Francisco to Nicks Cove. You drive up the legendary Pacific Coast Highway 1, across the Golden Gate Bridge, where you pass weathered oyster farms, dairy and cattle ranches along the route on your way to the town of Marshall.
Nicks Cove offers endless opportunities. The Tomales Bay area is a virtual paradise for outdoor activities with boating, hiking, kayaking, and fishing. Point Reyes National Seashore and Tomales Bay State Park are close by and where you can enjoy incredible vistas of a shoreline and miles of beach.
So along with our unit below, there's two units up top, up here, and there's units over here. Looks like 1, 2, 3, that may be split, so 4 or 5 units over there.
Okay, so this is the garden area of the innkeeper's cottage. Got some nice little snake grass. Just a very unique little spot. And oyster shells galore. Of course, Marshall is famous for their oysters. And there's Nicks Cove across the street. So,
Oh, we're running live?
we're running live.
Okay, so Nicks Cove restaurant, as you see here, Patty had the mac and cheese with crab, fantastic. I had the fish and chips, awesome. It's September of 2021, there's still some COVID protocols, so we walked in not knowing, and a couple guys at the bar told us what we had to do. But so if you're visiting Nicks Cove just to eat, you got to order from the outside window. and then you go inside, sit wherever you'd like, whether it's out on the patio or inside, and you will have a buzzer, you know, the placard that they give you, and it will ring when your food's ready, and you'll pick up your food. So that's how you navigate Nicks right now. The food is great.
Unless you sit at the bar.
Yeah, or you sit at the bar, you get full service. Food and beverage.
Hold on, we gotta save the bee.
It's like a bee went in my cup. Apparently not.
Nicks Cove Restaurant and Oyster Bar serve wonderful, casual, delicious meals made from local farm produce that they grow on their own farm and seafood. The menu is a bit more limited nowadays due to COVID, so we're not sure if or when they will once again expand their menu, but there are plenty of fine offerings.
Behind the restaurant, you've got this pier. You can see they've got tables and chairs and bar stools where you can enjoy a cocktail or meal. I mean, on a sunny day, I bet it's spectacular. Then you've got the shack right here at the end of the pier where you can enjoy your food, have some cocktails in there, or you can enjoy an indoor fire.
That's all it is.
Oh, all right. What are we drinking? All right, so the boat shack is this little tiny shack, and there's a place to have fires in there when it's okay, and inside is what appears to be a family. And it's open to the public, but the gentleman who just walked in with a guitar also walked in with a shit ton of alcohol.
At the end of the pier, yeah, you go to the shack.